Welcome guys, this is KOK Gift Baskets and more. I'm here with some of my Father's Day concepts I'm going to share with you before I wrap them. Okay, this one here guys, I have my beautiful football slippers. I have Ross cigar spray. I have the Dove body wash, the soap, the deodorant, and the cream. I have a watch here. I have some Woody socks here. They have footballs, barbecue grill, beer mug. I also have the little beer mug here. I got a Beer O'Clock bottle opener there, the A&W root beer. And up top, I have the football can koozie. And that is it for this one, guys. So let's go to the next one. I'm going to be burning the midnight oil, guys, getting all these gifts done. Okay, here's another one here. And this one, guys, I have the beard kit. It contains a beard conditioner, beard oil, beard balm, a brush, a comb, a razor, and some scissors. I also have a loofah here, the wireless speaker, plus the LED disco ball. I have the little travel size Bath and Body Works Ocean with the hair, face, and body wash, the body cream, and the antibacterial hand gel. I also have a wallet. I have a chain, a men's chain, and a men's watch. That is it for this concept, guys. All right, you guys saw these that I were preparing. These are the t-shirts. This is the Looney Tune t-shirt. So I printed a picture of the t-shirt with a lot of the Looney Tune characters. So that's a shirt, and I also have one of the cigar body sprays in as well. And here's this one. And this is just for the potential buyer to see what the t-shirt looks like on the front. And so that is going to be removed after they purchase. And then this is the little information about the gift and the price. And the only thing that will be left on here is the little Father's Day tag, because this easily pulls off. I have it designed that way to be pulled off in the back. So the only thing will be left is the box with the contents, and then this little Happy Father's Day tag. Okay, so I did 2 of those. This one here is the red t-shirt. It says #1 Dad and has a bow tie on it. It also has one of the cigar sprays. And this one here, this is a box that I wrapped and used as a platform. And also wrapped another piece of foam board for my backer. So this one, guys, I have the wallet. I have the American Exchange, which is a really beautiful watch. And that's the little knife set. And I have the hand towel or washcloth. The Dove cream. I have socks in this box here. I have men's cologne, sunglasses, a tumbler, and I also have some Dove deodorant back here. I added a little green sprig here, and I think that gave a good finishing touch to the gift. Okay. Okay, here's another similar gift. Has the American Exchange watch with the multi-tool set, the little knife there. This one has a men's bracelet. It has the washcloth. It has the Dove cream, the bar soap, the deodorant, a pair of socks. It has the cologne, the sunglasses, and the tumbler. So this one I kind of use the same format as the other. There's just a few different pieces in this one, okay? Okay, then I decided to just put these little bullet tumblers into a bag. And in the back of the bag, I have one of the A&W root beer little packets. Let me show you what it looks like. I put one of these. There's 6 drink mixes in each box. So this one has a whole box. This one has a box. I also have in it the little spiritual, inspirational little notebooks with the ink pen. These little ink pens here, the little spiritual notebooks, and the spiritual keychains. I have one of these in each bag. Okay. But the only thing that you can see from the front is going to be the bullet tumbler. That is the highlight of the gift. Okay, so I have those tagged and priced. And I think that is all I have for right now. Like I said, I'm still working. And I want to try and be finished at the latest on Monday. I will hope for tomorrow, but we'll see. I am winding down, but I still have a little ways to go. All right, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed these concepts that I've completed. I'll be coming back with more. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.